All right, continuing on with our hidden spot series. Today, I'm going to be showing you a spot that is very close to the last spot they were at. That's actually on the beach. You can go snorkeling and see all kinds of tropical fish. You're going to maybe see a nurse shark. You're going to see some surfers. Next spot I'm going to take you to is the wildlife preserve. You're going to maybe see some wildlife that have been hit by cars and taken in traps and that kind of thing. And they're actually preserved here in Jupiter. Really great spot. I'm going to take you a little stop off at a really awesome restaurant that is in a strip mall. That's some of the best food that I've ever had. I want to show you that spot. And then lastly, we're going to take you to a spot that's going to make you feel like you're on the ocean, but you're not going to need a boat like that sandbar from last week. You're not going to need a boat, but you're going to feel like you're out on the ocean, turquoise water, absolutely gorgeous. Let's do it. All right, here we are at Coral Cove Park. This is actually in Palm Beach County. So the south side of Jupiter Island is actually in Palm Beach County. You just go a little bit further north and you're in Martin County. You've got a great parking lot here. So that spot that I showed you last week is just across the street, and you could actually park over here and walk over there if you couldn't find a spot. All right, another spot off the beaten path. This is Bush Wildlife Preserve, and they're taking over 6,000 animals a year here, 50 animals a day. About 80% of them are actually hit by humans, by cars, or caught in traps and so forth. So this is actually at a new spot. They've been here for about 18 months. I actually haven't been to this new spot. It is really, really nice. So anyways, let's go outside and check out some of these spots. So they have guided tours through here, and you can see all the different cages with all the different critters, wildlife in it. So here's the bobcats over here. I'm gonna not try to find all of these little critters for you guys, but you can see in these cages. Imagine 50 animals a day and 6,000 animals a year, all native wildlife. These animals are coming from here in Florida. This is a really updated from where they were before. It was a nice facility before, but they're actually 3 times the size as what they were before. This is all built on donations and grants. You can see a little kiddie area over here, picnic areas. So one of the things that I like to do is check out Google. So you can go on Google and check out the Bush Wildlife Sanctuary. And there's a Google business profile there that'll give all kinds of reviews, the address and that kind of thing, the hours of operation and so forth. One of the things that I really love to do is go to Google, no matter what it is. I like to go to Google. Now, you can go to Google and check out our page, the Alex Haigh Group, and you're going to see all of our over 500 reviews on there and what our team is all about and what we do to help people find these little nooks in the local area. Let's get on to the next spot. All right, so I know you're saying to yourself, this guy's in another strip mall. What is he doing? Well, this place called the Food Shack is a spot you're not going to want to miss. Over 2,000 Google reviews featured right here. This spot is right off of Indiantown Road in the Publix Plaza. 2,100 views. We just came from Bush Wildlife Sanctuary, and they have got almost 1,600 reviews. Let's go in here and check out the Food Shack. This is a spot you would never know about. It's sandwiched between a surf shop and a Cosmos hair over here. All right, so you'll be able to tell this place from all the stickers on the wall here. And this is Neos Food Shack. So one of the signature dishes that they have in here is coconut encrusted whatever. So you want to get cobia, you want to get snapper, you can get all kinds of different fish like grouper, and they have wahoo on occasion in here. You wouldn't even know about this either. It's right next door. This at night pops off as live music and another little kind of bar over in here. So that's it for the Food Shack. We're going to go on to the next spot, which is our last spot, which is the spot on the ocean that you don't have to take a boat to, that you feel like you're on the open ocean, turquoise water and everything. Super excited to show it's here. Let's go. All right, just pop it in here. We are on our way to the spot on the ocean. Now, as a sneak peek, I want you to see this is one of my favorite drives down in Palm Beach County. So this walkway runs all along the beach here. You can take this drive and you're going to see turquoise water and the whole show. And there's also these little spots that you can actually walk down to the beach. Highly recommend Juno Beach, A1A, and this walkway along the beach. You're really going to know what it's like to live in Florida if you come down here. All right, here we are at the spot. You can see this long pier going out. I got some beautiful drone footage for you. The water is gorgeous today. It is turquoise, green, my favorite color. This boardwalk goes all up and down, north to south. All right, A1A on the beach on Juno. We'll show you out here at the end of the pier. I always love coming to this spot. Look at that water. Absolute gorgeous turquoise water as far as the eye can see. $2 to come out here and check this out. Check out the Juno Pier. It will take you all the way out to the end so you can feel like you're literally out on the ocean. Real quick, before we get you out here to the end of the pier, if you like this content, please smash the like below.
I gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket.
All right, here we are at the end of the Juno Pier, and it is ripping out here. The wind is going. We're on the white caps. Actually, you can know we're in deeper water because it gets a little darker. So closer inshore, you get the turquoise water. So I'm going to show you some last little shots here of the Juno Pier. Feel like you're on the open ocean and you don't have to deal with a boat. Enjoy these drone shots.